Product overview. Check and ensure that all accessories are complete and not damaged. Before the first use, take the water tank out. Remove red plug before use. Add water to the water tank and do not exceed the max line. Put the water tank back. Turn on the power and press the on or off button. The unit enters preheating mode with all indicator lights flashing for 10 seconds or so. All indicators staying solid except the steam indicator means that the unit is in standby mode. Put filter into the funnel and screw into the brewing head. Press the 2-cup button. Hot water flows from brewing head to do the cleaning. After the unit stops automatically, pour off the water.